At the international airport of San Jose, in a fertile valley about 4,000 feet above sea level, the plane in which we travel stops to call on Costa Rica, second smallest of the American republics. Located between the countries of Panama and Nicaragua. This is the terminal station in Central America for the various airways operating between North and South America. Delicately beautiful flowers are the most complex in the floral family, and the art of developing them from wild species into cultured varieties is a supreme achievement. Over 15,000 species and varieties are known throughout the world. Among the scenic marvels of Costa Rica are her volcanoes, the best known of which are Purest, 9,000 feet above sea level, and possessing the largest crater in the world, dominating the central plateau of the country. In this barren region, the mighty forces of nature have been churning the depths of the earth for countless ages. And although we are probably gazing on the oldest land in this part of the world, we have the strange feeling of witnessing evolution at work, molding new land in the ceaseless forge of nature. Quaint transportation system is still in vogue, and no small amount of the country's produce is transported in this manner. The farmers vie with each other in decorating their handmade carts, the wheels of which often look like the tops of roulette tables.